So let's start by connecting the LED with the relay module. So connect the wires into the socket. So let's connect this one. Okay. Make sure you should use the normally open port of this relay module, and these wires should be tightly connected, and you need to be careful because of we need the power supply, that is the main power supply. So let's tighten the screws using the screwdriver. Okay. Okay, so it's connected. Let's connect the relay module with the Arduino. So as here I am using the port number 1, so let's connect the IN1 pin, that is input 1, that is for port number 1, and for this pin I'm going to use the digital pin number 8 of the Arduino to connect it. So let's connect the IN1 pin with the pin number 8 and ground pin with the ground of the Arduino, and VCC with the 5 volt of the Arduino. Okay, it's connected now. Let's connect the RFID module. So for this purpose, the IRQ pin will not be used, that is the interruption request. So this pin I will not be using in this project, and the SDA pin will be connected to the pin number 10, and the next pin SCK of this RC522 RFI module will be connected to pin number 13. Okay, connected. And MOSI pin, that is master out slave input pin, and it will be connected to pin number 11 of the Arduino, and MISO pin, that is master in slave out pin of this module, it will connect to the pin number 12 of the Arduino. Okay, let me do this. It's done. Let's connect the power supply pins, that is your 3.3 volt. It will be connected to the 3.3 of the Arduino, and the reset pin, as in my code I have specified the reset pin for the reset pin will be connected to the pin number 9. So let's connect it to the pin number 9 of the Arduino. Okay, now the last pin, that is your ground. Connect the ground pin with the ground of the Arduino. So it was a simple setup. Now the connection is done. Let's move to the next part.